In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a membership website using Wix 2025 Full Guide. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. Once the editor loads, we'll prepare a clean area to host your member features. Open the Elements panel and add a box. This gives you a tidy container so your community tools feel organized and easy to style later. Next, open the Community category. From here, add the members list to your page. Place it inside the box you added and resize it so it fits your layout. If the editor highlights specific options or styles, follow those prompts. They're there to help you pick the right variation. You'll see references to the Members widget a few times. Select the Members widget when prompted and confirm any additional style choices the editor surfaces. This ensures your Members area includes the components Wix recommends for your template. Return to the Community category and add a login bar. Drag it into a visible spot, ideally near your header or top section, so returning members can sign in quickly. Use the on-screen drag handles and alignment guides to position everything neatly. Make sure nothing overlaps other content and that your spacing feels consistent. With your members features on the canvas, open Settings for the Members widget. In the Layout tab, choose how you want the list to appear, grid or list, adjusting the number of columns and spacing for clarity. Move to Display to control what information shows, such as profile images, names, and buttons. Then switch to Design to match your brand. Adjust fonts, colors, borders, and hover states so it blends with the rest of your site. If needed, revisit settings for fine-tuning, like permissions or behavior that affects how members interact with the widget. Open the Badges section to set up member badges. Badges help visually indicate roles or milestones, which can encourage engagement. Choose the styles that fit your community's tone, and only enable what you plan to use. If you need more guidance at any point, click Support. Wix provides help articles and examples that break down specific settings and best practices. Finally, review any highlighted prompts to confirm that your widgets are connected and configured as intended. When you're satisfied with placement, styling, and visibility, press Publish. Your membership website is now live with a members list, login access, and a design that's consistent with your brand. Remember, you can return to Settings, Layout, Display, Design, and Badges anytime to refine as your community grows.